Hey everybody, welcome to part 5 of our Turtle Graphics Racing program. If you've missed the last 4 videos, don't sweat it. I have the code right here. You can copy it right now. So go ahead and pause. Go ahead and pause the video, copy the code, or just watch the first 4. They're not that long. I think in total it's maybe like 35 minutes or something. But we're gonna go ahead and continue today. So in the last video we left off at moving the turtles at some random speed, right? We created a list with different forward distances, and when we run this, we were getting a bunch of our distances popping up. But they were kind of going over a little bit, and I think we can fix that. Here, let's clear this. I think we can fix that if we just change the logic in our loop. So instead of or, we'll just do and. So what this is going to do is, or the reason it wasn't working before is because as long as one of them was less than 820, it was going to continue running. But if we say and, now as soon as one of them is over 820, the loop terminates. That should fix our program. So now if we run this, there we go. So look at that. Boom, they passed the finish line, game over. But, this is kind of, it's not that exciting. It's cool and all, but, it's nothing too exciting. So what we're going to do is we actually want to see how much they're actually moving forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a list of colors now. So we're going to create another list, this time a list of colors. And we'll, oh man, I don't know, red, teal, orange. I actually don't use orange too often. We'll do, is violet a color? No, maroon. Is maroon a color? I don't know, we'll see. Silver. I'm kind of just like throwing out random colors. Let's try black. And maybe like one more pink. Do pink maybe. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is every single time they move forward, similar to how we gave them a random speed to go forward, we're gonna give them a random color. So that way every time they go forward, they should change colors, unless they get the same one. That can happen, but at least it'll be a little bit more visible to us, about how much they're moving, or about what their increments are. So if they're like small increments or really large increments. So we'll do that right after speed. So we'll say, hey, lonely boy, we're going to change your color, and your color is going to be, actually we're going to create a variable for it too. So we'll say, hey, lonely boy, your color is going to be equal to random choice. And we're going to pass in a sequence. In this case, our sequence is going to be colors. And now we're going to say, lonely boy, you are getting yourself a new color. You're going to the hair salon, and you're getting an upgrade. We'll do the same thing for lonely boy's girlfriend. So we'll say random choice. It's going to be colors. Now we're going to say lonely boy's girlfriend, you're getting an upgrade, right? Boyfriend didn't like how you looked anymore, so you changed your style. There we go. So now we should get something somewhat interesting. Ah, nice. We get a bunch of colors here, right? Still a little difficult to see, but it's a little bit better. I should actually take teal out, since teal is the color of the starting line and the finish line. Where the heck did I add? Oh, right here. Let's take teal out. Cool. So now that we have these random colors, what we want to do is we're gonna make this a little bit more interesting. So we're gonna add smaller increments. So we'll do something like -50. So now they can go backwards, which can really make this game very exciting, right? So if we run this really quickly, you can go ahead and add your own distances. You don't have to follow mine. but you'll see them go backwards a little bit and they get stuck in this loop. I don't want to put too many negative numbers in there because I don't want the race to prolong too long. But if we look at this, let's see if we can find one. Oh, right here. So originally Lonely Boy at this iteration was at 405, and then they went backwards. It looks like they went backwards. Yeah, 50. So just once, which is negative 50. Cool. So now what we're gonna do, we'll stop there.